How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video we're going to be talking about and showing you a couple of metal models here from England. Very high quality kits, very nice kits. And before we get started on that, let me thank all my subscribers, all my old loyal subscribers, all my new subscribers. And if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, share, and like if you like the content. But with that being said, let's get started. Okay, this right here is a WILLS FINECAST 124 metal model kit. It is just like a plastic kit as far as you have to glue everything together. There's no screws, nothing like that. This is a flat out glued together kit. But the only difference is it's all metal. You have to glue all the side panels together. You have to glue the cowling. You have to glue absolutely everything. This kit comes with engine detail. I mean, when it's built, it's gonna weigh 5-6 pounds. I mean, it's heavy. It's really heavy. And I've got one built that I will show you here in a minute, but this one here I've started on a little bit, and I'm going to open it up and show you what's going on with it. But I quit because this is the kit I use to resin cast the engine and the engine bay out of for when I build my Oshima kits, my MGB kits. Those kits are plastic kits. They do not come with the engine or engine bay detail. And this is the kit I used as the master to make the resin for that. But eventually I will build it. Like I said, I had started on it before I realized, hey, I need to resin cast these engines. And so that's what I did, and I stopped and I haven't touched it since. But let's open this thing up and show you what's going on. This is what you get when you open it. This is your instructions. There you go. That's your instructions. Not very detailed. I mean, it's got numbers and stuff, and the numbers out here tell you exactly what each part is, but they do not really explain very good on where it all goes and stuff. So you have to really pay attention to this. And there's not like no numbered sequence. You need to start here, you need to start there. So it is what it is. It's kind of a difficult kit to do like that. If you open this up, it tells about the car and everything about the engine, all the specs, all that stuff. And you look right here, it says manufactured by WILLS FINECAST, Sussex, England. Okay, now a lot of my American guys might not know nothing about this kit, but I know like Martin Dares and Gavin Booth and all my English buddies, Seamus, they should know about these kits. And matter of fact, I don't even think it's under WILLS Die Casting or WILLS FINECAST anymore. I think it's under Southeastern or something. I can't remember the name of it now, but another company owns it now. But that's it, and you can see the engine detail. Every bit of this kit is absolutely metal, except for the acetate for the windshield and the rubber tires. That being said, here's the acetate for the windshield. Got one little MG decal right there. There is the outline, and here's one I already had cut out. Then you remove this styrofoam, And all these parts, I don't know if you can see this, a lot of them aren't in the spot where they're supposed to be because I've already started on it, but you can see that this bag right here have the actual metal wire spokes. And this car comes with 3 wheel options. You can have the steel wheels. You can have the steel wheels with the hubcaps, and it's got the hubcaps in here. Or you can have the Roth style wheels. All cast metal. There's the MGB grill. I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff in here. You even get an extra set of tires, so you can switch out your rims if you want. Here is the metal body. I had to glue this side piece, the cowling, this trunk piece. There's a piece that goes through here, and this is just taped together. You can see right here. Here's the bottom half you have to glue together, which none of this is glued, but the body pieces are, and I have it taped up. But this is your inner engine bay that I've resin cast, and I need to probably resin cast it again because the molds are kind of getting a little old and wore out. But before I actually build this, I need to do that again. But there it is. That's what I've gotten started on it. I just wanted to show you all this. This is kind of, you know, I was going to do an unboxing of a vintage kit. Well, this is a vintage kit. It's just metal. Here's parts right here. This will be like, there's part of your seats. There's the back of your seats, back rest. Here's part of your underneath, your suspension and stuff. Here's the hood. You can see under the hood detail. Here's part of the top. I mean, there's everything in here. There's the engine pieces. You can see I still got the clay in it from when I molded all the little engine pieces. I mean, just bags and bags. There's suspension. There's just all kinds of stuff in there. Steering wheel. And that's how they come. They just come just like that. Just in the bags. There's no sprues, no nothing like that. And so, with that being said, let me move this one out of the way and show you the one that I built. Let me get everything back in here. Just kind of throw it back in here and throw it out of the way. That way I can get to the other one. I can deal with that later. Alright guys, and this is the one I've got built. This is the MGB GT. And I got an actual car like this sitting out in the back. Needs to be restored, but it actually does run. And I used to own the MGB convertible back in the 90s. And I own 2 little MG midgets at the moment right now. And you know, one of them I'm trying to make into a track racer or whatever, you know, a road racer. But this is the kit I got built right now. And it weighs a ton. Let me get it over here and show it to you. I don't think any of y'all's ever seen that. But there it is. That is my MGB GT. It is a metal kit. And it weighs a ton. I'll get it off here in just a second. And I will have still pictures at the end of this for y'all to look at. So, let me remove this. Man, this thing's heavy. You can see the actual spokes. I painted the white wall tires on there. Don't know if you can see the interior very good or not, but it's black with the white pipings, what I did on the seats. There's the front. Here's the front grille with the black wash in it. It's got some MG badging on it. Here's the back. Even these tail lights are metal. I mean, nothing on this but the plastic in the glass and the rubber tires. Everything is metal. Everything. From the mirrors to the door handles to all these little pieces. Absolutely all metal. And this thing, I'm trying not to drop it because it weighs a ton. Here's the chassis. You can see I got the gas tank, the exhaust, the mufflers, the engine. There's that piece I showed you on the other kit. There's the front suspension. I don't know if you can see in there good or not. Let's raise this up. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's been shut for a while. And there's the engine detail. I don't know. I'm going to have to get a light over here, see if I can't. Let me get another light in here. Can you see inside that very good or not? I wired the engine. It's got the intercooler lines right there, if you'll see. The intercooler lines going through the front by the radiator. That is just an awesome, very detailed kit. And I recommend if y'all ever find any of these, I found mine on eBay, both of them, and actually I got a third one. I got an MG TC built, and I think I've showed that long time ago. I think I showed that on here. It might be in my archives. If not, I'll make another video of it, but see if I can't get that hood to shut now. But that's it. Like I said, I'll have still pictures at the end of it. And if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And like I said, this is another vintage kit I wanted to bring to y'all today and show y'all. Thank you.